If you want to know how to make better Facebook ads than your competitors, there's one thing you need to know first. You need to know what ads your competitors are running. So I'm going to show you how to spy and see the exact ads that your competitors are running right now and what steps you need to take to make Facebook ads that are better than theirs. I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. All right, so how to see what your competitors' ads look like. You're going to log into Facebook and go to facebook.com/ad/library. This shows every ad that's currently running on Facebook. I know, it's amazing. You're welcome. To start our search, you want to make sure the right location is selected. For most of you watching, that's probably going to be the US, but choose whichever country your competitors reside in. Then for ad category, you're going to choose any of the specific categories they have there if your competitors fall into any of those: issues, elections, or politics, housing, employment, or credit. Otherwise, you're going to choose all ads. So just to show you how it works, I'm going to type in Nike. I'm going to click the first one here, and you can see we have about 1,400 results from this Nike page alone. Now, right at the top, before we scroll down, there are some filters. You can filter the ads on this page by language, the different meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram, etc., media types like images, memes, and videos, and you can filter by active status to look at active ads, inactive ads, or both. I'm going to look at ads ran on Facebook and Instagram with any media type that are active. You can also choose any date range you want to select. So if you want to see what ads they ran last Christmas, for example, you can do that. Once you've got the filters the way you want them, hit apply, and then you can scroll through and see exactly what ads your competitors are running. It'll tell you when they started running them, which platforms they're running them on. It'll also tell you if the ad has multiple versions and uses dynamic tools. This basically means that the advertiser has submitted different images and text that they want to advertise, and Meta or Facebook puts them together in lots of different combinations to figure out which combination drives the most results at the lowest cost. So you can know if your competitors are running dynamic ads with multiple versions, and I'll tell you how to see all of the versions in just a minute. And then most importantly, you can see the creative and the copy that your competitors are using. Now, some of you watching may be thinking, I'm a small business and so are my competitors. My competitor isn't Nike. I hear you, but no matter the size of the business, if they have a Facebook page and are running ads on Facebook or Instagram, their ads will appear here in the ads library. So it's worth checking just to see if you can see their ads on here, and if you can't, then maybe they're not doing that much better than your business to begin with, and there are other competitors that are more worth looking at. Or maybe there are other competitors that are not direct competitors but solve the same problem your business solves, and therefore share a target market with you. Those are still worth looking at as well. For instance, if you own a restaurant, let's say, maybe the other family-owned restaurants in your local area are not running Facebook ads, but some of the chain food restaurants are. Or maybe one of the big selling points for your restaurant is that all of your food is organic and healthy or ethically sourced. There may not be another exact restaurant like that in your area that you can analyze, but you can see what kind of ads Sprouts or Trader Joe's is running. So see if you can find your direct competitors in the ads library first, and if not, look for any competitors that are running ads that share a target audience with you and solve the same problem. Now, these are the three things I want you to take note of when you're looking at your competitors' ads: the pain point or goal they're addressing in the ad, if any, the media type, and the call to action. When I talk about pain points or goals, I mean the pain point for your customer that the product or service solves, or the goal that they have that it helps them achieve. So let's look at these ads from Planet Fitness as an example. They're a gym, and their first few ads here say, reach your goals in the OG judgment-free zone. So that's a common pain point or objection to going to the gym for a lot of people. They feel like it's intimidating, and it's just all these ripped people in there that they don't want to go work out in front of, especially as a beginner. So Planet Fitness has actually coined a phrase that addresses that pain point, saying that they are the gym that's a judgment-free zone. They also say reach your goals verbatim in that ad, which is pretty on the nose in addressing their customers' goals, but they're talking about reaching your fitness goals by using their gym. Looks like they've got a new location opening up in Lakewood that they're running a lot of ads for that say join today for only $1 down, $24.99 a month, and get access to our clean and spacious judgment-free zone. Couple of pain points they're addressing here, one being price. Gym memberships can get pricey, but they're tackling that by saying if you've got $1 to put down today, you can join. They're also saying that you get access to their clean and spacious gym, which is probably something that other gyms lack and therefore something people want in their gym. Now let's look at their media type. They are running both images and videos, and though it doesn't specify their placements, I'm betting they're running ads mostly to mobile devices given the vertical formatting of these ads. Now if you click on see summary details and then see ad details, you can see the ads in a bigger size and you can play the video if it is a video. So pay attention here as well to what they're addressing in the creative itself, not just in the copy or the caption. Then scroll to the bottom here where it says this ad has multiple versions. This is where you can see what different versions are currently running. So we can see that they're running another video with this copy as well. The third thing we said to pay attention to was the call to action. You'll want to take note of this again both in the caption and in the creative. Planet Fitness is wanting to collect leads and members, so they have the CTA to sign up everywhere. They're creating urgency by offering a deal that ends soon. Some other language they have includes join today, get started today, and find a club near you. So here's what to do once you've studied your competitors' ads and jotted all this information down. First, you want to look at your own ads if you're running any. What pain points or goals are you addressing in comparison to your competitors? Are your competitors addressing any that you haven't? Maybe some you've never even thought about before? How can you take the pain points or goals they're addressing and tackle them in a new way, a better way, a faster way, a more convenient way, a more efficient way with your product or service? See, the first step to making a good Facebook ad is making one that is all about your customer, not your business. Then the second step is to make it better than your competitors' Facebook ads, and you do that by showing your customer why your business can help them achieve their goal or solve their problems in a way that's more beneficial to them than your competitors can. Once you've got the concept nailed down, then you want to brainstorm how to show that in a way that's going to hook your audience, stopping them mid-scroll, and retain their attention long enough for them to receive the message that you're sending. In most cases, the answer here is going to be vertical short video. The content of that video can be inspired by your competitors. And please hear me, I am not saying to just copy your competitors' ads verbatim. The title of this video is not how to copy your competition, it's how to make ads that are better than your competition's. I'm saying to look at the images and videos your competitors are running and build off of that. Brainstorm how to make them better, and then you go film that video. And I should also mention that in addition to looking at what your competitors are doing right, there can be a lot of value in noticing what they're doing wrong. Maybe the messaging in their video isn't super clear, or it isn't enticing enough. Maybe you've thought of a better pain point to address or a better way to address it. Spying on your competitors' ads will help get these creative wheels turning so that you can ultimately create Facebook ads that are better and convert customers for your business, not theirs.